Are you craving something delicious in this lockdown? What better than a pizza to uplift your mood? So today's video we are going to see how to make a corn cheese pizza at home, that too without an oven. Make sure you stick around till the end to know how to turn your boring chapathi into an instant pizza on tawa. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Let's begin with the ingredients for the base. 1 cup whole wheat flour, half cup curd, salt as per taste, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon baking powder and a quarter teaspoon baking soda. Now add all the dry ingredients in a bowl, mix them and form a well in the center. Add fresh curd little at a time and 2 tablespoons of oil and mix them well to form a soft sticky dough. Continue to knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes. Apply some oil and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's begin to make the sauce. 6 tomatoes, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and 6 to 7 dry red chilies, 1 onion, chili powder and salt as per taste, a teaspoon of sugar, oregano that is optional, and some tomato ketchup which I forgot to show. Now let's add the tomatoes, onions, garlic and red chili into the water and boil them until the tomatoes are smushy, smooth and the skin comes out of the tomato, and then grind them into a smooth paste. In a pan, add a tablespoon of oil, half chopped onions, fry them until they are translucent. Now add the ground tomato paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon sugar and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix them well and cover it and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the oil is separated. In the meanwhile, let's preheat our cooker, add some salt, place a stand, cover the cooker without a lid and a gasket and preheat them in the medium-high flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Grease the plate with some oil. You can use any regular steel or aluminum plate, preferably aluminum that you have. Now take a portion of the dough and roll them for the size of the plate. Press them with the fork so that they do not rise while baking. Add the prepared sauce, some cheese, boiled corn, red chili flakes, oregano. I have used 2 types of cheese, the regular cube cheese and some mozzarella cheese. If you do not find mozzarella cheese, you can use just regular cheese. Place the pizza plate in cooker and bake them at a medium-high flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. You can dig into your delicious pizza. Now let's move on to our instant chapati pizza. For that, place a chapati on tawa, apply some sauce, add some cheese, boiled corn, or you can use any vegetable of your choice, add some onion rings, chili flakes, oregano is optional, add some extra mozzarella cheese if you have. Cover them with a lid and cook them in a low flame for about 5 minutes, and that's it. Your instant chapati pizza is delicious and ready to be digged in. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified of all our future videos. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.